All right, my friends, it's time for an April blog post idea brainstorm for realtors. So what content should we create on our blogs in the month of April? So there's a lot of different angles we could go. We could focus on Easter, which we're not going to in this training because we did a separate one on Easter. So let's think about buyers and sellers. It's April. We're almost to the end of the school year, which means if your customers have children, they may be starting to think about moving over the course of the summer. Maybe they have kids that are growing and going away to college, and maybe they're ready to downsize. Is the summer a good time to downsize? Is it a good time to move? Is April a good time to put my home on the market? Will I get top dollar for a home that I sell in April, or should I wait until June or July? There's so many posts that you can write. Think about the questions that you get in the spring and start there.